The perfect smoothness of writing. Which stapler to optimize efforts. How to organize papers and files in folders. The product that catches the consumer's eye. The right color tone to express feelings. Our consumers' needs are at the heart of every Deli product development, starting from the product concept and design. To achieve it, Deli has global design teams dedicated on all product aesthetic and functional requirements. From Tokyo to Stuttgart, our purpose is to be connected to worldwide trends and apply them in our product designs. Every product is developed in-house and is the result of deep design research, highlighting our reliability, know-how, quality, and efficiency for office products, focusing on the attraction, the user-friendliness, and the safety for our school offer, matching Deli's different visual identities. This is how Deli has developed product for 30 years. This is what makes a world leader. Another key reason for Deli's worldwide success is our manufacturing know-how and large-scale production capacity. Starting from tooling, injection, stamping, surface finishing, and assembling, all the company key processes are managed in-house. Deli has already stepped into the new automation generation, offering production with greater efficiency and stability. Each manufacturing step, from the raw material reception to the final product assembly, is strictly checked by the quality department, making sure every Deli product bought by the consumer shows our quality dedication. Deli today offers one of the widest product selections, covering 12 major categories, focusing on both office and school markets. We provide our customers with tailored logistics solutions, offering quick delivery service, great after-sales systems, flexibility by helping stock management, and offering flexible MOQs. From Dubai to Moscow, from Mumbai to Warsaw, from Chicago to Tokyo, our ambition is to touch worldwide office and school consumers. To achieve that mission, we also rely on our distributors' networks, covering more than 100 countries. With the help of our partners, we make sure that Deli products and branding are well adapted to local markets. This is how we make sure that we fulfill the expectation of each and every Deli consumer all around the world. Deli's mission is to satisfy global consumers top quality, reliable, innovative, and friendly products. Together with partners sharing the same beliefs, our purpose is to make office and school consumer life easier throughout the world. Deli Office, your best office mate. Deli School, so easy, so Deli.